Hello everyone, just a Citroen C4 here. Ignore the music in the background. Just doing a pollen filter on this. So it's got two filters. Just to show you how to do it, I'll put my torch down. I've got this panel here, kick panel, underneath the driver's side footwell. Just pull that off. It literally just pulls off. And then underneath of that you've got this little trim which sits underneath here like this. It's got a few clips, these ones here. You take them apart by hand. Unplug the little light switch and put it aside, and then coming underneath the dashboard you get this vent which sits in there. So I'll try and show you how that is. I'll put my torch somewhere. Okay. So this is that you can see the hole for the vent there. This would sit up in here like this. If you give it a good pull from underneath, from here, it should come off, and then you can just wiggle it down and out from there. And there we are. So move that out of the way. And then you've got this cover for the pollen filter, which you can just about see through this gap in there. So that cover would sit on here, like so. Pull it off, and then you've got the filter. So I've taken one out already, just a bit very dirty. But you should have these tabs on there, and they help you pull it out. I'll try and pull up the next one for you while holding the camera. Not easy as I would have hoped, but there we are, it's coming. Just keep on dragging it and then it will come out eventually. There we are. And that's the two filters out. And obviously to put them back in is the reverse of what you just done to take it apart. If you do want to make your life easier, you probably can take off this panel here as well. You've got a few screws down there. And then we can move this out the way from here. And there's a few more screws behind. Over there you can see them. That is another option. But that is on a Citroen C4 to change your pollen filter.